In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to create cartoon Roblox thumbnails. So to do that, we're going to use the platform Novoads AI. The link is going to be in the comment section. And here we need to go to the image section. Now here, where it says describe your image, I want to use now here, where it says describe your image, I'm going to use the following prompt that is going to be in the comment section. And now here in title, we need to put the title of our video. For example, let's put Roblox gameplay with my friends. Now in the text overlay, this is the text that will appear in the thumbnail. For example, here it was the best game. So let's put the same, the best game is a good text overlay. And now here in reference image, I'm not going to upload a reference image. So I'm going to erase this. And now we have to click here. Now we have to wait more or less 30 seconds. Perfect. Here we have the result. And as you can see, the quality of the thumbnails is amazing. I really like them, the 3 of them. So well, if you want to try this platform, I want to tell you that you can try the platform for just $1. This if you are a new user. So well, see you in the next video.